Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. My name is Afshin and today I will take you on a short journey into a fascinating world of chemistry. Knowledge is like light. It guides us, benefits humanity, and helps us understand the universe around us. Let's begin with the roots of inquiry. Centuries ago, scholars like Job ibn Hayyan, known as the father of early chemistry, started the journey of chemical discovery. Today, it's our turn to continue that journey through curiosity and research. Chemistry is not just about formulas, it's about life itself. From the food we eat to the medicine we use, chemistry is happening all around us. As Muslims, we should not forget the contribution of great scholars like Job ibn Hayyan and Al-Razi in science. Job ibn Hayyan taught us that asking questions and exploring ideas is the foundation of science. So keep asking, keep exploring, because curiosity is the spark that leads to innovation. Now let's define chemistry. Chemistry is the branch of science that studies matter, its composition, properties, and the changes it undergoes. For example, composition, what it is made up of, properties, what it is like, and changes, how does it react. These three pillars help us understand the world around us. Let's explore them one by one. First is composition. We have two examples, salt and water. Salt is made of sodium and chloride forming NaCl, and water is made of hydrogen and oxygen forming H2O. So composition tells us the building block of every substance. Salt appears as a white crystal and tastes salty, and water is transparent and tasteless. Properties describe how substances look and behave. So properties help us identify and classify matters. I'll repeat. What is the properties? Properties help us to identify and classify matters. Now, the example we have taken is salt and water. When we dissolve salt in water, it's a physical change and the substances just mix together, but they remain salt and water. No new substance is formed and the changes is reversible. So let's see what physical and chemical changes are. Let's compare it. In physical changes, we have no new substances is formed, usually are reversible. For example, dissolving salt. And chemical change, a new substance is formed, usually irreversible. For example, if we burn paper or if we're making a yogurt from milk. So now it's activity time. It's your turn to use your chemistry lens to explore. So tell me what happens when paper burns and what changes occur when milk turns into yogurt. Identify the composition, properties, and the type of changes. This activity will help you think like scientists. So you're like a mini scientist. Let's look into the answer. First, burning paper. Before burning, paper is soft, white, and foldable. After burning, it turns into a smoke and ash. Completely new substances. That's why it's a chemical change. Next is milk is a sweet, white, and liquid. When bacteria act on it, milk transforms into a yogurt, and solid, and entirely new properties. This is a chemical change in food. These examples shows us how science is part of our daily life. So now it's the assessment time. Let's check your understanding. Please complete this individual assessment to show what you have learned about composition, properties, and changes in matter. Finally, record your efforts in the final check. Submit your answer through the form provided, and remember, enjoy the little things in learning, because every steps bring you closer to the discovery. Thank you for joining me in this demo. Chemistry is everywhere. Keep exploring and keep learning. Allah Hafiz.